In this video, I will show you how to create a Supabase account. To do this, just head over to supabase.com and from there click on Start Your Project. Now here click on Don't Have an Account, Sign Up Now, and then you can choose to continue with GitHub and then it will be automatically connected to your GitHub account, or you can continue with email and password. Then just gonna click Sign Up and then check your email to confirm. Then you have an email like this, just click confirm email address and that will redirect you, and then it will also sign you in automatically, and you have now already created your account. Now you just need to create your organization, choose your plan, whether it's personal, educational, company, etc. Then just click create organization and then you will have completed setting up your account, and you can actually start creating projects and using it for whatever you need to. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.